as we are dealing with the time. After choosing the subject and the object and the correct form of the verb, after choosing all these three things, we are ready to make the sentence. The sentence was cat eats rat. Okay, later on we will see, instead of singular word cat, we will make use of cats, and observe how the changes could be made. Suppose if our subject is plural. Now we'll see with a singular word, with our singular subject, that is cat. Fine. The sentence was cat eats rat. Was in the simple present tense. Cat eats. What is that? Cat eats. Cat eats the rat is present simple sentence. Cat eats the rat is our simple present tense. Simple present tense. Now simple past tense will be cat ate the rat. Cat ate the rat. Okay. Cat ate the rat will be our simple past tense. Similarly, if we want to say it in, suppose, today, generally when do we say, when do we use the perfect present tense? Simple present tense sentences are used when it is going on now. Means, and it can be a routine habit, like I take coffee every day. I go by bus usually. I go by bus. I go to my school by bus. See, just simple sentence. We are using simple present tense. For our daily routine habits, if we want to say something happening every day, the sun rises in the east. It happens every day in the same way. So we'll say sun rises in the east. I go to college in the bus and I go. Simple verb go. And here cat eats the rat. My brother goes to college by the bike. He takes his bike and he rides the bike to reach his school or college, whatever. Now, see, cat ate the rat is the past tense. And cat will eat. See, note this word. Eats, present tense, ate, past tense, and future tense, will eat. Future, simple future tense, our sentence should be cat will eat the rat tomorrow. Today we brought the new cat to our home and there are so many rats, and tomorrow the cat will, here onwards, if not tomorrow, today, here onwards, after we brought the cat here, it will eat the rats. Okay, now we will go to the continuous tense. 3 sentences we made for simple tense. Simple present tense, simple present tense, simple past tense, simple future tense. Will eat tomorrow. Here onwards, it is going to eat. Will eat. Now, past continuous tense. The next one is, we'll take continuous tense. Here also we have the 3 kinds of sentences. Simple, present, continuous tense. Continuous tense. Cat is eating the rat. How do we say? Present tense. Cat is. See, the cat is plus eating. We have to continuous tense. We have to use the ing form of the verb. Is eating. Cat is eating the rat. See, now the cat is eating the rat. Is eating. It's going on now. So continuous tense is the tense, the verb which is still going on. Cat was eating rat. When I opened the door, yesterday when I opened the door, I saw the cat eating the rat. So that time what was going on? The cat was eating the rat. That is past continuous. Yesterday is already over. I already opened the door. And the cat was eating the rat. Okay. Cat is eating the rat. Present continuous. Cat was eating the rat. Past continuous. Future continuous. Cat will be eating the rats. See, will be eating. I have not yet opened the door. I have not yet reached the home. When I go, but here itself I can say that when I reach the home, when I'm going to open the door, and I will be seeing the cat eating the rat. So future continuous will be cat will be eating the rat. Cat is eating the rat. Cat was eating the rat. Cat will be eating the rat. This will be our three sentences in the continuous tense. Now we'll go to the perfect tense. For the perfect tense of the sentences, we need to have the words like has, had and have. Okay? Have. See. Has, had and have. Now we'll come to the subject. Cat has eaten. Eaten. Remember, the verbs are to be learned in three forms. First form, second form and third form. Eat, ate, eaten. Okay, these are the pattern to be learnt. It is available in the all grammar books. If you want, I will explain it to you once again, or I will give you the list. But you should know the verbs in three forms. When you are using the sentences like perfect tense, when you are using the perfect tense sentences, you have to use the word has, have, and had, depending on the kind of sentence you are making. Present perfect tense is the cat has eaten the rat. Cat has plus a written eaten the rat. Past perfect tense will say cat had eaten the rat yesterday. Today the cat has eaten the rat. Yesterday, if it is yesterday or the last week, we will say the cat had eaten the rat. Now future, the cat will have eaten the rat. Would have eaten the rat. Will or would we can add. Would have eaten or will have eaten. The cat would have eaten the rat. Okay. Now we'll go. This three also is over now. Perfect tense. We will come to the last type of sentence, that is continuous tense. Perfect continuous tense. For this also we use the same kind. Cat has been eating. See here. First we wrote as it is, then ing we added, then we made it as eaten, then now we are using has been eating. The cat has been eating the rat since we brought the cat to our home. Since the day one, since the cat had come to our home, it has been eating. That means it has been eating from then, and now also it was eaten before also, and now also it is being eating. It is eating now also. So that is what we mean. Present perfect continuous tense, has been eating. If suppose if we want to say in past perfect continuous tense, we need to use had, because this means had been eating the rat means it is the situation where you're not having the cat at home presently, but when the cat was there in our home, so that time the cat had been eating the rat. Suppose I give my cat to somebody and that friend is having the cat now. And if I visit her, or otherwise, if she comes to my home, I'll say to her, see, the cat, when it was in my home, it had been eating the rats in my home till then. Now it has started eating in your house. Okay, that is how we use the sentence. Cat has been eating the rats. That means the cat is still in your home. Cat had been eating the rats. That is over. The cat is no more in our home. Cat would have been eating the rat. Suppose if I give the cat, if I had given the cat to you, the cat would have been eating the rats in your home. If I had brought the cat to my home, the cat would have been eating the rats in my home. This is how. The cat would have been means the cat has not yet come and the time has not yet arrived. If I bring the cat, if I had brought the cat my home, then the cat would have been eating the rats. cat would have been. That means the cat has not eaten the rat now, and we have not yet brought the cat. That is the situation actually. I hope you enjoyed and you can differentiate which situation, what kind of sentence you have to use, and we shall try the same kind of sentences, all the 12 kind of sentences and the situations where we have to use, and we will, I'm sure many of our students will get stuck up to say the sentences in such situations. So definitely they will switch on to their own mother tongue or some other language they will use. But I'm damn sure, I'm very sure that children will get stuck while speaking these situations. So I hope it is clear.